Hello, today I am making a cover for a lampshade. It was a cream color lampshade and I just love maps. So I got this map fabric, as you can see here, from the fabric store. And I have a map curtain here of the world. Goes over the window. So I figured, why not have a map lampshade? And of course, I take old tables and I glue on maps that I have been to, or any kind of a map, and I put decoupage, Mod Podge on the table and cut it out, and I Mod Podge it right on the table. Now this is a little bit worn, but that's okay. I have plenty of maps. So in order to make the lampshade, you cut out a rectangle piece, leave a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch seam allowance on the edge, and you can either put lace, zigzag, or a narrow hem on the bottom. I'll show you what it looked like laying flat. So this rectangle is about 21 inches long. You fold over a 1/2 inch and then another 1/2 inch, and you can zigzag a little casing all the way around. Now if you don't have a sewing machine, you can use iron-on Stitch Witchery tape. Leave the ends open because you're going to slide a rope, a string, or thin stretch cording through here. They have elastic that's a 1/4 inch, or the cording elastic. And I used a bobbin and tied a knot, and I strung it all the way through. This lampshade is 8 inches across the top and 13 inches across the bottom. So when you're done, you slip this cover over the top and you just make sure it's on the rim all the way around, and you can tie the cording and smooth out the fabric, and that's your lampshade cover. Any kind of fabric you like, but I'm going, as I said, with the map theme of my curtain and my little table. And the reason why I didn't glue it with fabric glue to the shade is because I might want to change the theme. And more importantly, I want to wash the cover. Now you can use an elastic cord, as I said, and instead of tying it here, you can just use the elastic cord and hide it in the casing that you made. Very simple to use up scraps. So if you need a facelift for your lamp, or a teen's bedroom, something with their theme, or your own theme, or a little country cottage, think about using map fabric to cover your lampshade. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.